Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Zartest Online Scam. And right off the bat, this product or this website is a scam. But before we get into the details, a lot of you have been messaging me about products to review. But since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a product and research guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it opened up here on malwaretips.com. And as you can see, the title says, Beware the Zartest Online Scam. No, Zara isn't giving you a 700% or $750 PR package. So as you can see, just by reading this alone, $750 is too good to be true, since if they really did this, they would be bankrupt. So even Zara themselves don't give up like $100 gift cards or packages. So let's read the review here on malwaretips.com. So the overview is on the site, visitors are told that they can receive $750 Zara PR haul by completing a simple few steps. So you fill out a short survey, enter a valid email address. This is where the red flag begins, and complete several recommended deals and claim their free package. So actually, once you enter in your email address, you're basically just giving out your email address out in the internet for everybody to see. So as you can see, you can just download unwanted apps, sign up for worthless subscriptions, and purchase low quality or fake products to get their free package, which is a scam. So as you can see how the scam works, they also posted here. Scam ads promote the Zartest Online. You can become a product reviewer. Questionnaire collects personal information like your name, age, birth date, and a lot more, and your address. So please guys, do not enter in any information on this website. They are a scam. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.